What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like always, I appreciate the love and support like always. In today's video, we're going to be installing one of the best dash cams probably in the world. This dash cam, it's called REDTIGER, and they pretty much sent me out this dash cam to test it out to see how it works. And this is 4K for the front and 4K for the rear. I haven't unboxed it yet or pretty much opened it, so I'm going to show you guys what you get out of the package exactly, and pretty much all the necessary equipment and stuff and wiring, pretty much everything you need to install this dash cam. And this is probably one of the best dash cams. Like I mentioned, it's probably like the screen is very huge. It's an LCD screen. It's like a rectangle form and it's very long. And we're gonna test this out and see how it works. I'm gonna do like POV drive-by to see how well this dash cam is, how well it holds up, pretty much the durability test, and we're gonna test pretty much everything about it. So without going any further, let's get down to this dash cam. Let's get down to this video. So I have the dash cam on my passenger seat. This is what you get from there. It's called REDTIGER 4K Ultra Clear 5.8. Wi-Fi. It comes with a GPS navigation as well too. 128 gigabytes. This is the F77 model, and this is probably one of the best models out there from REDTIGER. And like I mentioned, they sent me this out to test it out to see how well this works. You can see the packaging looks really amazing. I'm going to pretty much unbox this to show what exactly you get from this package. And we're gonna like slide it and open up, and like I took off the plastic peel that it was on there, but yeah, I haven't opened it up, so we're gonna see what we exactly get out of this package. So coming from out of the package, I took this off. We get a Power C adapter, a Power C USB port, and then after that we get pretty much the REDTIGER instructions and it also comes with the guide and pretty much all the stuff as well too. I do want to mention it also comes with this too. This is definitely going to help out with the installs when you're trying to pretty much go in these corners and pretty much open it up to, put the wiring there and hide it up so it looks like a clean setup, a clean install, and it doesn't look messy. And then from there, we're going to go all the way to the rear and then all the way to the back side of the camera. There's a rear camera that's 4K and the 4K for the front. But yeah, we're going to go use this thing and pretty much hide the wiring and, feed the wiring and go. This is a cigarette lighter setup, so we're going to have to route it to the cigarette lighter of the car, which is all the way like right here. And you can see the cigarette lighter is like about there, and then you just plug it in. It's a simple plug and play. You could hardwire this, but I'm not like familiar with it or too much with it, and I prefer just with the cigarette lighter since I don't really plug things in the cigarette lighter. So this should be a very easy install and nothing too difficult. Like I mentioned, Power C adapter. Right from here we get the instruction guide of the F77 model user manual guide, more instructions. Take this plastic piece out of the way. Then from here we get some extras, 3M siding tape to, if your tape for example, like if it stops sticking, then you have extra ones. Right here up front we have the dash cam right there itself. I'm gonna take this out and show you guys how it exactly looks. So right in the front we do get the REDTIGER. I'm not gonna take this plastic piece off because we're gonna have to first install it. Then I will probably take it off after that, but for now we're gonna keep it on. It tells you the instructions and everything like that. But the LCD screen is very huge, like very big for a dash cam. This is probably by far the most biggest dash cam I ever saw. And the one I had before on my car, if you are guys familiar with on the Mustang, that one is very small compared to the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. The Alpha dash cam and this is a big difference I see here, and looks more better, like it feels durable and very high quality. That's one thing about it. And then right here we're gonna probably like route it to here. There's a plastic pretty much to prevent from scratching your window. It comes with that too, which is like probably on the bottom of here, which is right over here. This thing you need it for your install. It's good to have. You pretty much stick it on to right there, and then that protects your window from getting scratched while you do the install. So it comes with a little protective coating with it. This right here is the back dash cam right here too, the rear camera, and I'm gonna take this out and show you guys that. So this is the rear camera, and it is very smaller as compared to the front camera, which is obviously a obvious guess that the rear one's always smaller than the one in the up front. This one right here, you can see that it looks really phenomenal as well too. It has a little bit of protective screens, and then also the 3M tape to take off whenever you're ready to do the install and ready to, to stick it on to the back of the window. And yeah, it feels very lightweight too. It's not really that heavy either as compared to the front one. But yeah, we're gonna go pretty much do the install, and it does come with the wiring, which I'll show you guys as well too. So it comes with this wire as well too that is very extremely long. It's enough to go all the way to the back of the car. I believe this is for the front of the dash cam, and then the one I have on the bottom of the box, it's for the rear of the dash cam. Plenty of wire to hide, and pretty much it could reach all the way to the back. That's one thing I love about it. But yeah, without going any further, we're gonna pretty much install this and show you guys how you exactly do it. And this install video would definitely work for any car, so it doesn't have to be necessarily for the Infiniti G37. It could work for any car in particular. So I'm going to guide you guys and show you guys how exactly you do this install and how you pretty much hide the wiring and do this install. So one of the first things we need to do this install is get this plastic piece that prevents your window from scratching while you do the install. It sticks on there. So pretty much we're going to probably put it somewhere in the middle or so, and then peel it off and attach it to here. That's one of the first steps you do before you install the dash cam is, get your protective coating that comes with these plastic pieces and attach it to the window. And from there, we're going to show you guys what you do next then. On second thought, I decided to go do it on the left side rather than on the right side, because for some reason, the right side, I can't reach to the cigarette lighter. So we're going to do it from the left side, feed the wire to there, all the way to the bottom, and then all the way to the center console. And that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to take the cigarette lighter, feed it to there, all the way down there, and go like that. So right from here, we get this wire, put it underneath here using this orange thing. Is very helpful to do this. Take this to here, and route it all the way to the back side, and you feed these corners with it and keep going with it like this. And you should see the wires right there. We're going to keep using this black rubber plastic piece to hide all those wires, and we're going to tuck this in using this, and pretty much like that, tuck everything in like that. You should be good to go. I decided to route it to here rather than there. For some reason the cigarette lighter couldn't reach to there, so I'm gonna do it that way. Okay, so what I did was I hided the wires using this thing right here to here, and then use this thing. You see this black plastic rubber, that you take it all the way around to there and go all the way to the back of right over here that you see, and then pretty much use the orange plastic piece and feed the wiring on top of the headliner for the rear. And that's pretty much it. This thing makes the job easier. Wrap the wires to the black rubber piece all the way on the bottom to right here, and then right there we are done. So pretty much I have it connected, and then from there you can see it's 4K for the front and 4K for the back. It was very easy to install. Like you see these two wires, it was only 2 wires for the front and the rear camera. And right here you can see it records the front and back. So this is a nighttime POV drive that I'm going to be showing guys how good the quality of the REDTIGER F77 camera is. It's really one of the best dash cams you could ever get. But yeah, I'm going to start the car and show you guys a POV drive-by on how the good quality is, especially at nighttime. Okay, so here we are doing a POV test drive on the dash cam, REDTIGER F77 dash cam. You can see that the quality as I'm holding the camera is really phenomenal. So you can see the back side, the clarity of it is really amazing. 4K for the front and 4K for the rear is really outstanding. You can see the back side very well. Like I have the Alpha dash cam on the Mustang, and that one is probably not even as clear as this one is. The REDTIGER F77 is really an amazing dash cam, and it's really one of the best dash cams you can get. I would definitely recommend and hit REDTIGER up, because the dash cam, the quality they make is better than 99% of the dash cams out there. And believe it or not, you'll probably be thinking I'm wrong, but the video shows that how good the quality is. You can see the right side of it, the rear side, the left side of it, the front. It's really amazing quality, and I have definitely no words to mention it. But it has different programs of it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys that when we stop the car at a stop to show you guys all the features it has. Okay, so more POV drive-bys. You can see how well and good quality. Let's see if the picture quality holds. Hold on. Okay, yeah, like you can see here how good the quality is for the front and rear, and really easy to install. This was installed on an Infiniti G37. The installation was fairly easy. I would definitely recommend the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. You can see it's recording continuously. It's not like, you know, like glitching like other dash cams probably logs you out or kicks you out. This one doesn't do anything like that. It's also Wi-Fi. You can, you know, plug it, like I mentioned before in this video, you can plug it in and it does everything. Like it records 24/7. If there's any files, or God forbid if you get into a car crash, it saves the files as well too. And it goes to your, pretty much if you download the REDTIGER app, it should be very easy to get onto the app and pretty much to get the file and then, you know, show the evidence to the police, and pretty much from there you can fight with the insurance company. And, you know, as you guys know, a dash cam in today's world is very important to have, because there's a lot of road rage, car crashes that's been happening in this past, especially in Houston. So I would definitely recommend the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. If you are wanting a new dash cam, then this is probably one of the best dash cams that you could get. So that right here wraps up this video for today. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the REDTIGER F77 dash cam, and let me know what your thoughts are. If this is, either the best dash cam or you don't like it, or give me your opinions and thoughts on what you think about the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. But anyway, that is it for this video for today. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out.